Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 6a to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both of them, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, tap on Open. From this screen, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Google smartphone. After that, just receive on an Android and send on Google Pixel. Now you need to click on all of those dots on your Google Pixel device and tap on Send over here. This way you'll be able to tap on all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, maybe that one, click on Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, select No Thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, selecting while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here and then tap on Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!